This is the true story of Jordan Belfort. He scammed America and got famous doing it.
So, how did he do it? It all started with simple lies about totally worthless companies.
And believe it or not, those little lies built a massive empire of fraud.
Then, Hollywood made him a star. Yeah, people actually cheered for the bad guy.
It all started back in Queens. By 16, he'd already made 20 grand selling Italian ice.
He even quit dental school on day one. Why? The dean said it wouldn't make him rich.
After a business failed, he had a realization. His superpower? The product didn't matter, only the sale.
On Wall Street, he found penny stocks, basically unregulated garbage that no serious broker would touch.
But here's the secret sauce. These things came with a massive 50% commission. This led to his main trick, the pump and dump. You just hype up garbage, then sell it.
He called it Stratton Oakmont. Sounds fancy, right? It was really just a chaotic boiler room.
He trained a bunch of dropouts with his straight line method. It was a pure psychological pressure cooker.
The office itself? A total circus of greed, fueled by drugs, testosterone, and just raw fear.
He preached a simple sermon: success is everything. And his top performers, they were treated like kings.
And as the money poured in, hiding it all became its own full-time job.
But, empires fall. First the SEC, then the FBI, started closing in.
Facing decades in prison, Belfort did what he does best. He made one last sale. He sold out his friends.
And for all that fraud, he got just 22 months. And yeah, it was a minimum security prison. In prison, he wrote a book. That book became a movie. And just like that, the fraudster was a star.
But his victims lost everything. He was ordered to pay back $110 million. Most of it was never paid.
And today, he's doing great. He's a motivational speaker teaching, wait for it, ethics.
He turned fraud into fame and wears the wolf like a badge. It just makes you wonder, did he really lose